But item number 49, CD was called for. CD has not received lordship. Can it be taken up any date in the next week, lordship?
From which police station?
It's from Bongaigaon.
Bongaigaon.
Lordship, can it be on 28th, Lordship?
Long date. Long date.
Okay.
Long date.
Visible.
Take care.
Obliged.
May it please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, my lord. The Conducting Council MH Chaudhary is out of station. Kindly adjourn the matter for 20 minutes.
21.
Yes. Come to-
Scan copy, Lordship.
Sorry. May it please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 20 of today's list, lordship. During the pendency of same petition, lordship, detention order has been issued against the petitioner and same has been put under challenge, lord. Under WP number 12 of 2024, lordship. And pending judgment, lordship.
We'll take it immediately after.
I have taken the consent, lordship.
No, it is fixed for judgment.
Yes, lordship.
So we'll pass the order. We'll close it this.
Lordship may close.
So wait for a few minutes. After the mentioning is over, we'll pass the order.
I beg to mention item number 42, your lordship.
42.
42. On some other day may be taken up, my lord.
Scan copy of case.
Yes.
Much obliged.
My case was disposed of on 26th in July.
Give the memo to him.
May I please? So I beg to mention item number 47, your lordship. Lordship, during the pendency of the matter, lordship, petitioner was arrested and gets bail from lower court, your lordship. The matter has become infructuous.
Wait for a few minutes. We'll pass the order. Wait for a few minutes.
Okay, your lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24. The conducting
24.
The conducting advocate, Mr. A.K. Ahmed, is physically not well. The matter may be taken after 2 weeks.
And CB.
Yes, next.
May I be, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 58 from supplementary. CD notice. 58.
From which police station? From which police station?
I don't know, sir.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? I recommend item number 57, lordship. Only agenda method for the day, lordship. English council is out of station.
Right. To mention item number 32, lordship. Conducting Council, Mr. S. Chaudhary is out of station. Lordship, may kindly fix a date for the matter. Lord.
32.
Okay.
11.
Yes.
May I please, I'm praying for listing of anticipatory bail application on Monday, your lordship.
When did you file?
It was filed on 8/11, your lordship.
Not listed.
Not listed, your lordship.
It might be defective. Find out. If it is not defective, then
Defective already complied, your
you
lordship.
have cured the defect.
Yes, lordship, on 9th, I complied already. Deep local, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, one criminal petition back to this. Next week. My lord, item number 19, my lord, charge commercial quantity matter, my lord, after 3 weeks, my lord, regular bill. Online.
Yeah, please, also. I beg to mention item number 38. I have inquired, but she did not receive. 38. From which police station?
My lord, from Bukakal.
Your lordship, says it has been filed.
Wait for a few minutes. We'll pass the order.
Case number
Yes.
is
Item number 58, maybe password for the day.
Yes, 94, 190.
58.
Lordship.
From which police station?
Bifuria.
My lord, my case is Bukakal PS 90, my lord, Sachit file in 94.
Is it wrongly come in 90?
Wrongly come, my lord, schedule required, lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, take the
58.
date.
From which police station?
Bifuria.
Do you have the case? 58.
Before your PS schema.
Miss Bora, this 38, tell us from.
Lordship.
Bukakhat.
38 from Bukakhat, Lordship, on 28, Lordship.
Hello, interim order is there, lordship. Hello, lordship.
58.
Do you have the case there? 58 from Bifuria?
Before your lordship, 58 on 27, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, yes, huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Item number 60.
16.
Item number 60, Lordship.
60, yes.
Yes.
Yes, what's your prayer?
Too early take up the case.
We'll take up the matter before rising.
Okay. Thank you.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26, Lordship. Maybe fix up a week. The CD is not there. Lordship.
Cities are available.
CD is not available, Lordship.
From which police station?
Lordship, Portuguese.
Lordship, it's from Gorsuk PS.
Another bit.
Tell us when.
Lordship, can it be on 26, Lordship?
Have it.
Lordship,
FSL was also called.
FSL was also called for, that's why.
Nobody FSL. Okay.
All right.
Item 20.
Or Mr. M.K. Borak is appearing for the petition. And Miss
M Decca,
M. Dekar, standing counsel.
on behalf of SC Care Lordship. On behalf of SC Care.
Learned counsel under standing counsel. DRI. On instruction, Mr. Borak, counsel for the petition committee. On that. In the meanwhile, the hearing of NDPS case number 16/2022 pending before the court of learned additional session judge, special judge NDPS from additional session judge Kamruk Metro Guwahati. Complete and judgment is awaited. And as such, the petitioner is not pressing this petition. NDPS case number लिखे से थे, हाँ मैं ठीक है सर. NCB crime number 2/2023. According to this reason, we not to stand.
Ready of like.
7 CD is not available, Lordship.
You are Mr.
MD A Rahman, Your Lordship.
MD
A Rahman.
A. Rahman,
Yes, yes.
Muhammad A. Rahman for the petition. And Mr. Rahman. On instruction, Mr. Rahman, counsel for the petition is submitted. That during pending of this pre-arrest application, petitioner has already been arrested
Yes, Your Lordship.
in Musa County case number 173 of which will be the proof. And according to this pre-arrest application, his pre-arrest is becoming process. Accordingly, stand this one.
Highly obliged.
पब्लिक शासित प्लान और 90 है ठीक है. मैं देखूंगी. मेंशन से मेंशन में को visualizing their coordinate.
May please, Your Lordship. My lord, Your Lordship had earlier called for the status report, madam. 2021 FIR, madam.
Lordship,
Petitioner is behind custody since he was soon arrested, madam. 49 days, madam. Till date.
Lordship, CD received, Lordship. This can it be taken up just after some time or at 2 PM?
At
2 PM.
my lord. May please, Your Lordship. Well, may I-
Yes, please.
yes. But the
impugn order, I'm challenging your 10-9. The proceeding was initiated on 10th of April 2013 at this court. Not subsequently after the public interest litigation on 9/5/2015, as per the Honorable Supreme Court's directions, my lord, the CBI took up the investigations, and your lordship will find at page 23 the notification on 9/12/2014. The entire case was handed over to CBI. My lord, after the case record was received, within 18 days, Lord, your lordship will find the entire charge sheet was submitted. That will transpire from the record, my lord, of your lordship, my lord, starting from page 27 till 79, showing 95 witnesses and voluminous documents of more than 877. My lord, after completion of this charge sheet, very surprisingly, my lord, I am having all the order sheets. The investigating authority made an application before the court, my lord.
Yes, yes.
For interrogation in 2016. If your lordship, please be kind enough to note. After the charge sheet was submitted,
Now, what is the?
then after this interrogation, then compliance report was filed. Very surprisingly, my lord, on 2019, when I made the petitioner before your lordship, my lord, made the prayer for VC representation, that was rejected. But subsequently, it was allowed on 25/8/2022. The same prayer was allowed. I being in custody with the CBI authorities in other states, no doubt about it, knowing fully well, they interrogated, they never produced for production warrant. If they made an application, no endeavor was made to produce before the court. You know, it is the serious laches on the part of the investigating authorities and violations of the Constitution's right and also the liberty. My lord, the 159 I have to be produced, I am not produced. They know that I am in custody there. They interrogated, but they did not endeavor to make me produce before the court. Not till 10 years now, my lord, if I am subject to correction by your lordships, if I am accepting the propositions, even if the application which was made by me, my lord, in 2019, that was rejected for VC, my lord, subsequently it was allowed. If I accept that proposition also, my lord, then also, my lord, I am in custody for more than 6 years. Now the charge has been framed, my lord, on 12th January 2024. After the production, my lord, on 2022.
Yes, Mr. Halil.
101 witnesses is there.
Lordship may kindly see the rejection order. There is no illegality in passing the rejection order.
Which other?
Lordship may kindly see page
89.
for 94.
Hmm.
Page 94. Is the first rejection order, and the second rejection order may kindly see page 102, 111, 12. There is no new ground for granting bail to this accused. '94. Page 100, Lordship, second paragraph, kindly look into the finding of the court below, Lordship. Here it is, Lordship.
Just a minute. How many cases are pending against him? 62 or more than that?
Well, may I clarify?
Hmm.
Not 62% loss is not absolutely all right. Not it is there. But the CBI authorities only took 9 cases. Though the Supreme Court directed the entire investigation to be carried out by the CBI.
Yes, Mr. Hello, if you want to file any objection. file.
Right, Lordship, let it come after 3 weeks or 4 weeks, Lordship. We'll file an objection to this petition.
You file it today is 14th.
Lordship.
You file it by 2nd.
No, Lordship, let it be in the 2nd week of December, Lordship.
No,
On
no, it will
10th,
be too long.
10th of December, Lordship.
We are likely to take up this matter on 10th. File it prior to that.
In the first week of December, Lordship. Let it be on
Lord.
5th of December. 5th of December will be filing and let the matter be listed on 10th.
With your lordship, I have a personal difficulty. I have a marriage ceremony on 10th. With your lordship, any preponing any day or after 10th.
12th?
Actually. So 12th is the same marriage function will not on.
Just before vacation.
Yeah, that's why if your lordship.
17, Lordship. On 17.
The last week, there will be big.
And that will be very
pressure.
unnecessary burdening your lordship.
Okay, have a try on 17th.
7.
You are Mr.
Lord Ronovi Roy Chaudhary from Calcutta.
You give the details.
Grateful to your lordship.
Pardon, Mr. Chair.
Two or three, too.
Lord 2 and 3, Lord same. Grateful to your lordship.
Highly object.
May please, your lordship. Lordship may take up item number 5 first, lordship. Both are connected matters.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner was arrested. The FIR is in page number 15, lordship. He was arrested on suspicion, lordship. Forwarding report in page number 16, lordship. He was arrested on 5th September, introduced on 6th September, lordship. In page number 16, last part, lordship.
From Sadgaon.
Lordship, one is from
One-
Satgaon and one is from
Satgaon.
Patbajar.
One is from Panbajar.
Yes, Lordship.
While he was arrested in Sadgaon PS case, he was shown arrest in Panbajar PS case, lordship.
Earlier, probably once or twice the case there was placed.
Lordship, that is fresh one, Lordship. Both are-
This is fresh. No,
Earlier.
with regard to some other,
Yes, in other cases, Lordship.
other accusation.
Yes,
Have it when
Lordship, today is 14th, so can it be on
Next week.
22nd? Or 25th?
if you can produce it, fine.
Lordship, 25th, Lordship, if your Lordship.
Detail লিখিত হবে আর ওই 5 নম্বর with
Much obliged, lordship.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, offences are under section 20B2C, 25 and 29 of the NDPS Act. I have been arrested on 4/12/2022. Since then, I'm in custody. And the next date is fixed on 20/11/2024. So it has already been 2 years. The matter has not been, the charges have not been framed as yet.
Scan copy will be required.
So the scan copy will be required.
pending before whom?
Lordship, it's pending before Sessions Judge Karimganj, especially.
What was the last date? 19.
9/10.
19. What order was passed on 19?
It was fixed for production of the other co-accused.
What is the recovery?
Recovery was 400 kgs of ganja from the secret chamber of the truck. And the petitioner is the driver.
20 kg is the commercial quantity, Lordship.
Call for the eligible screen copy of the record. It has not been numbered before the run special judge.
NDPS
Yes,
case number 166
166
oblique
of
2020.
6.
166.
Special unlimited NDPS case number 166 of 2022. Arising out of Bajari Chera police station case number 208 of 22. From the court of Lanet special judge NDPS Karimganj. Along with the copy of the case diary of Bajari Chera PS case number 208 of 2022. The FSL report. Released on 3rd of December.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Co-accused released on bail, Lordship. Main accused is released on bail by the honorable public. That is the order.
Yes, Mr. Gogoi, what were you saying?
Lordship, one Shri Binod Kurmi arrested by police from his custody. 5 cartons of Onasali liquid, Lordship, found. He stated that Onasali wine collected from me. That is the case. Lordship. Not from the police, not.
Do you have the case diary?
No,
Because
Lordship.
last order was passed on 8/11. You might have.
Lordship, we have to verify.
Just
now.
Lordship, case diary is available in office.
Lordship.
How do you know? You have inquired
Lordship.
and you have been informed.
No. Yesterday, inquiry.
Since it has come in the motion column, that's why we,
Try to find out.
yes,
We'll
Lordship.
watch it.
Yes.
May please your lordship. Lordship allegation is under section 21 C, Lordship. As on today, arrested on 15/5/2024. As on today, 183 days, Lordship. 83 days,
So we
Lordship.
have to take instruction to that regard if
Yes,
search it has been filed. or not. The arrested on 15/5.
15/5, yes. Page number 13 is a forwarding report.
Silent one paper, Kanpur.
Marianne.
Amatuma. Murioda, yes, 37/24. One 184 days.
184 days.
Yes,
Yes.
so we have to take instruction.
Get the information. Today is 14th,
Lordship,
20.
Lordship, obliged.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner was arrested on 14/9/2024, Lordship, as on today, 61 days. Lordship, may kindly call for a case diary at this stage, Lordship.
From Tongla, tell us.
Lordship, on 25th, Lordship.
Okay, 25th.
Obliged.
I'm obliged. Lord.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, 483 application, lordship. Lordship, the petitioner was arrested in Wildlife Protection Act
Yes, get the report.
1972.
My lords,
Get the report.
I can get a report, my lords. Next week.
He was sworn arrested, lordship.
When this has to come from,
Kohara, my lords. I
Kohara.
can get a scan copy, my lord, on 20.
Obliged.
Alright.
we take it to matter to achieve.
Lordship,
Hold on, why you pass over?
Lordship, my opinion is coming. Lordship. Lordship, maybe after 10 minutes. Lordship.
You will be preparing the case diary from Gosai.
Lordship, FIR is at page 19. Lordship.
Get the case diary.
My lord, see my lord, page 27, my lord. The bail rejection order, my lord. It's very clear that this is a family dispute, my lord. Later on,
Case
CD
diary, let us see.
Lordship, it's from Gosaigaon, Kokrajhar.
I will read it, my lord. Lordship will be very clear that just this is a family
26,
dispute
lordship.
and section 382 will not be attracted. 382, 3 will be attracted in this case, my lord.
Mr. Roy, let the case diary come.
CD on 26th, Lordship.
But
But
Monday
they-
next, 25th,
Lordship.
25th. Petitioner name is one of the which is in such and such. Well, this application under section 439 CIPC praying for his bail in DRI case number such and such, in which he was arrested on 10/03/2024. On instruction of the petitioner, Miss A Medhi, Council Taragot is not pressing this bill application of the petitioner. To which this moral article no objection according to the petition did not.
Lordship, perhaps standing council DRI, Lordship. Standing council DRI.
Sorry, not moral. Solution in Dakar DPL.
Obliged.
May I plead your lordship? 482 bail application, your lordship. FIR is on page 9. Your lordship has earlier dealt with this matter, your lordship. Your lordship, during NACA, 21 drums of petroleum product is alleged to have been alleged petroleum product was seized, your lordship. And according to the allegations in the FIR, the co-accused have stated that they were going to sell those products to me, your lordship. I am no way involved in this case, your lordship. No offense is made out against me.
The truck driver, his helper and
Yes, your lordship.
The other person whom it was carried has been already
Yes, your
released on
lordship.
bail, right?
Yes, your lordship. I am the accused number 4, your lordship. And no offense is made out against me, your lordship.
Yes, it is, remember, you might have the case there because that order was passed last week.
Lordship,
Find out.
lordship,
We'll have it at 2, the other case.
lordship,
was-
lordship.
Lordship, at 2 today I have some personal difficulty, your lordship.
Then on Monday, lordship.
Find out.
Oblige, your
Come for
lordship.
motion on the intent case.
Yeah, oblige, your lordship.
Instead of Monday, you make it on Tuesday.
Lordship, oblige.
Also, this is anticipated bail application, my lordship. The girl is already written in his parents' house, my lordship. It was, my lordship, a case is also, but the main accused are also get bail. My name is not been reflected in the FIR, my lordship. They put a kidnapping case on me, my lordship.
Yes, I said later. That's it, listen. What's the disposal of the financial? That's it, this was. National Open. PRC case number. So whether the matter has been sursited or not, lordship. If it is so that. I need to start display of everything.
As per the record, it is already been disposed, 15/3/2000.
Was pending before.
Morina.
CJ Morita. The matter has been sursited and lordship will find at page 18. The deposition of the victim.
Father also knows that victim was in their home. Victim clearly stated in that statement. He brought. My father was present.
Yes, ma'am. Apparently, the 164 statement of the victim indicates
Yes,
the petitioner. The case is waiting for framing of charge probably.
yes, lordship, deposition has already been given, lordship.
No,
I
only
think lordship-
164.
Yes, I think lordship,
That is only 164.
164, lordship. So we have to take instruction on lordship. If it is sursited, then the scan copy
No, I
would be.
think so it is because the last page you just see. For committing the case, maybe it is
Yes, committal stage might be.
at committal stage that did not appear.
Yes. First been person.
It's 366A, so it's a sessions tribal case.
Yes,
My lordship, 2020 case, and the victim has already married to someone else, and
so what was the last order that was at page, lordship kindly come to page 26 and exercise 6.
That
lordship.
we have seen here.
Yes. So nothing
That is
has
in the
been,
committal stage probably.
probably lordship, nothing has been, nothing has annexed. What had happened after 25, 2023, lordship. So we need this updated status.
We reject it because matter is pending before the court, just
Lordship.
delaying the matter at this stage.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. Day, A.K. counsel appearing for the petition. And I'm Flores by this application. Anyway. Pending is arrest, seeking to arrest bail in Maravadi Police Station case number such and such. Under section. It's not 368, I presume. It's
We added despite.
It's 68.
It was definitely.
slash 366
Episode.
corresponding to PRC number 141020222. Pending the court.
Episode update.
Chief Judicial Magistrate. Maravadi. It is pending before the court of Lanet. Judicial Magistrate first class. Morigaon. As per the affair of the case. As per the FIR dated. 24022020. In PRC level representative, GR number 57020. PRC की मैंने लिखा 2022 लिखा ना हाँ ब्रैकेट और विगर GR number that on the night of 21/02/2020 around 8:30 p.m. There are two accused persons named in the FIR. 8:30 p.m. Forceful to carry his minor daughter of 14 years in spite of her resistance. At that point of time, the informant was not at home and coming to know about the kidnapping of his daughter. He returned. And on inquiry came to know that the accused persons named in the FIR confined his daughter, indicating that she will be released from such confinement only when she will be released and handed over only. The custody will be given to the infant only when he enters into an agreement. Otherwise, she will not be released. Though the informant waited for local bichar, there was a delay in filing the FIR. The said affair of the informant was accordingly registered as Maravadi PS case number 87/2020 under section 368. The petitioner has also annexed a statement of the victim girl made under section 164 CRPC. Recorded by London Judicial Magistrate First Class Morigaon on 18/06/2020 as Annexer 3 page 17 slash correlative 18, 19. Here's also annexed forwarding of the concerned investigating officer of the case. With regard to the arrest of one FIR named accused, as well as forwarding petition dated 09/02/2022, and also summon issued to the petition by land JMFC Oregon in PRC number 1410/2022 dated 24/02/2023. For his appearance before the said magistrate on 20/05/2023. Petitioner is apprehending that if he appears before the learned magistrate, he will be taken into custody in said PRC number such and such. Stating further that the victim girl has already been married with someone else. On the perusal of the section 164 separate statement of the victim recorded by the JMFC Morrigan on 18/06/2020, it is seen that the minor victim at the relevant point of time wouldn't be condemned. Slash 14 years old. Implicated in the petitioner stating that it is he who kidnapped her forcefully in spite of her resistance and took her away in an Indica car, red color Indica car, with the affair named, the two affair named accused persons. And took her to the and married her by executing Kavilnama in which the parents of the petitioner was also present. Executing an agreement stating that executing an agreement incorporating that whenever she will become 18, she will be handed over to the petitioner. The minor victim also stated before the learned magistrate that 164 CRPC statement that it is the petitioner who did not allow her come to her house. And it is her father, on coming to know the place of her confinement, brought her back from Tejpur about 15 days back. Considering the materials in her 164 submission statement of business and such, annexed to this petition, as well as the summon issued to him by the landed JMFC Murikam in PRC number 1410 of the 2022. The court is of the view that it's not a case to grant PRS by repetition in say case number data paradigm PRC number paradigm. However, it is made clear that in the event of any such application made by the petitioner for his bail, before the appropriate authority, the same shall be considered in accordance with the
Right. For it, determination, FIR address 9, my lord.
It also appears that someone issued after filing of charge sheet. And from the matters before the land, them for committing the case to the appropriate forum. Yes, Mr.
My lord, page 9, the FIR, my lord.
Oxo.
No, my lord, kindly come to page 9, my lord.
Hmm?
Initially, my lord, case was registered under section 329 to 117 to 35. BNS, my lord, all the available offense, my lord. Accordingly, thereafter, my lord, some of the accused, although the case was registered under available section, my lord, but 3 numbers of accused are arrested, my lord, page 14, and produced before the learned court below. Accordingly, the learned court below has allowed bail those 3 persons. Subsequently, my lord, 1/19/10, we have surrendered before the learned court below, my lord, page 16. And the learned court below has allowed us to go on bail, my lord, page 16, my lord. After granting bail, my lord, the IO has filed a petition, my lord, to add section 74 as well as section 8. But section 8, POXO 8, my lord, is not attracted against us, my lord. My lord, come to page 16, the order of the learned court below, whereby we allowed to go on bail, my lord. My lord, page 16. I am reading, my lord.
You have read
19/10/2014, my lord. Case record is put up before me as the accused person, namely Kurban Ali alias Kurban Ali and Zakir Hussain, present petitioner, my lord, and Fazor Ali.
this thing is at least have the
Lordship.
full statement of the victim. This is from Hajo. You
Lordship,
can have it at next week, any date.
yes, Lordship. Lordship, what happened?
And my lord, one more thing, my lord, the other accused persons already granted bail by the
We'll
learned
consider.
court below, my lord.
Lordship, kindly come to page 18 and excerpt 4. So where Lordship's section 74 of BNS along with section 8 of POXO Act has been added. Lordship, specific allegation against the present petitioners,
No.
Kurban Ali and Zakir Khan, Lordship, because mercilessly beaten up the small girl. And Lordship, kindly come, Lordship may call for the case diary along with the statement of the victim and the medical report, Lordship. It's
My
from Haju, Lordship. Can it be on 26/11?
POXO is not applicable against us, my lord. Kindly
POXO
come
is
to
not added.
attracted, my lord, page 18, second paragraph, my lord. During investigation, I visited the PO and examined some witnesses. Also, I recorded the statement of victims under section 180 BNSS.
But
The victim were also produced before your honor on 18/10/2024 for recording their statement under section 183 BNSS. In the statement of victim, minor girl, it is stated that on Shahidul Ali put his hand on so and so.
and both the
Go ahead,
petitioners
go ahead, go ahead.
beaten up
Well,
mercilessly.
Go ahead.
Then,
tied
my
up
lord,
in a
moreover,
electric
the
post.
accused number namely Zakir, Kurban, etc., my lord, drag the victim near shop and tied them on a nearby electric post, my lord.
And
And beat them, my lord.
Please read them, please it.
Then, my lord, of them, Zakir Khan and Kurban Ali beat them badly. The accused persons beat them with bamboo sticks and also kicked and punched them in the back, waist, legs, 74.
And seizure, that's all. Seizure at night without authorization, this is my case. It is not clear, my lord, whether this codeine phosphate is controlled substance or not. Because codeine may be, my lord, drugs, but if the phosphate is mixed, my lord, whether that will neutralize the effect of the codeine. These are all medical terms, my lord, it is very difficult to understand.
Yes, Mr. Parasar.
My lord, just I search in Google, my lord, codeine sulfate or codeine phosphate are available in tablets and oral administration. Codeine phosphates are available for injection. Codeine is contained in numerous, my lord. So codeine is contained, my lord. Even is phosphate, even is sulfate. Codeine is available. So codeine is in the schedule, my lord.
No, codeine phosphate is used for injection.
Yes.
What is the purpose of injection?
So codeine is contained in the codeine is available in our that
That's
schedule.
true. But whether codeine phosphate is neutralizes the person's brain or thinking capacity, or it is simply medicine.
Sulfate, codeine, phosphate. These are matters of trial, my lord.
No, trial will come later, but if the seizure
Very
very
initial stage,
arrest is illegal, Maru, why should he suffer
charge
imprisonment?
is not yet framed, my lord.
The trial is yet to come, the charges yet to frame, the witness are yet to examine. It will take years together.
And commercial quantity, no doubt, my lord. There is no doubt this is a commercial quantity, and commercial quantity when involved, my lord, section 37 embargo will come, my lord. How to overcome that, my lord?
Because Maru, it is a like PMLA Act, this NDPS Act,
And
is also Maru tracking in law.
all this
Special
argument
protection
can be,
provided.
my lord, at the time of framing of charge, my lord, before the trial court, my lord.
For you.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next page.
Inspector Amit Mohan. NDPS. জব্দ কৰিবলৈ নিৰ্দেশ দিয়াৰ লগতে Yes, madam. But yes, madam, I have also hurriedly gone, madam. Dear madam, inspector, OC is the inspector, madam.
He was present.
Yes, madam. OC
No,
was,
the SP was present.
SP was present. So everything has been done, madam. Operation. Madam, I became confused because of the, madam, that line in the FIR, madam.
But here you have seen.
Yes, madam. OC, SP sub present. No, then operation is there. SP level. Higher officer of Donabo লাগে।
Yes, Mr. Parasis, there was one more issue. How many bottles?
Bottles, madam, 380 bottles.
380 bottles, 100 ml,
Yes,
Total-
in mls, my lord, it comes to 3.
100 ml.
100, more than 100 ml, madam, it is 3 point some kg, madam, just
3.800 kg. Total,
Hmm?
3 kilo 800 grams.
Seizure, yes.
Oh. And
Presence of SPR, my lord, OC would not, my lord, justify the seizure at night unless the officer is especially empowered under section 42. That is not there, they couldn't show it.
It was done independently by the SP.
Because SP is the not the authorizing officer, madam, authority. It is the state government or the central government.
No. We can conclude because of this. Please take your seat, just sit.
Mr. Parasar,
My lord,
one more issue, that's in the FSR, they have not mentioned the percentage.
percentage.
Because it has to be codaine, then there has to be limit, is there? Normally percentage are given,
Normally percentage is given. Even in case of heroin also percentage is given.
right? So. How many grams?
3 point, my lord, 800 grams, 3 kilo 800 grams.
What from you are saying?
Up to 1 kilo is 1 kg is my lord. Codeine is 1 kilo. But codeine phosphate, whether phosphate neutralizes the effect of codeine. And there is no percentage given my lord, so everything. The FSL report is also lukewarm my lord, and the investigation and the is also lukewarm.
Because otherwise the FSL report doesn't indicate the percentage.
Yes,
If it is not there, then how do you have the codeine?
yes. There may not be codeine at all, my lord.
100 ml, there has to be a percentage of.
Yes, yes, yes. Is there, my lord?
It has to be come in kgs, weight.
These are matter of evidence, my lord. It will come, my lord.
But for that, you cannot keep a person behind the bar for so long.
Otherwise, my lord, my lord, at least charges were not
Tell us
framed.
something to further custodial detention of the petitioner.
No, my lord, that first thing is commercial quantity, there is no doubt, my
For
lord.
that purpose, how will you ascertain that's a commercial quantity? The FSL report doesn't disclose anything.
Regarding, yes, my lord, regarding
You are
that,
having only 380 bottles, 100 ml,
yes,
right? Then
percentage not given, but
that's why it will how much?
And he is a licensed holder, my lord. of the
38,000
drugs.
ml.
He is a pharmacy and
38,000 ml.
regarding that, my lord, some time may be given, my lord, I'll check, my lord, some.
it.
Yeah, my lord, my lord,
By
even,
Wednesday.
yes, yes,
Wednesday,
even if some
Wednesday.
percentage, my lord. That's one question. In case of not giving the percentage, while whether my lord, that the whole amount will be treated or not, my lord, regarding that, my lord, some judgment.
It is a criminal law, my lord. Any suspicion is sufficient for acquittal.
No, my lord,
It is not civil law.
some judgments are there, my lord, I'll charge, my lord.
On 21st, my lord.
इनको judgment out of there. No, no, where the judgment appeal in there. If percentage not given, whether whole quantity will be taken or not.
So assuming it will be 380 grams.
3 kilo,
380 grams.
no, not 300, my lord, 380 bottles.
380 bottles.
380, one bottle, 100 grams, 100 ml.
100 ml.
So, my lord, more than 3 kg.
Below 10 kg.
No, codeine is 1 kg, my lord. Codeine is more than 1 kg is commercial.
1 kg or 10 kg? 1 kg.
1 kg, my lord.
1 kg.
Codeine is 1 kg, my lord.
Find out. We'll have it on
Serial
Wednesday.
number, my lord, 28, my lord. Codeine
1 kg.
1 kg.
10 gram and 1 kg.
10 gram and 1 kg.
Wednesday.
My lord.
3 kg, 18 grams, my lord. There's a calculation.
20.
22. Wednesday.
Material loss, madam, that's with container and without container, madam, but your lordship last time it came, madam.
Lordship, I talked to the IL Lordship, he has sought for some time, Lordship, to clarify the matter, Lordship, because Lordship here, what has happened, Lordship, in the, if we see at the seizure, Lordship, apparently it is 364 grams.
Yes.
Lordship, and, but whether it is with container or without container,
No,
Lordship.
that is the FIR, madam. FIR itself says, madam.
No. So Lordship, if Lordship kindly grants me some time, for the IO to clarify the matter, Lordship. Otherwise,
Friday next.
Lordship.
Madam, your lordship kindly see on the face of the record, madam. I'm not saying on my, it is not my
Let
submission.
him, that I want to clarify, let him clarify, we'll consider. That's why you have pointed it out,
Lordship.
right?
Next page.
Also, Lordship,
Friday?
if Lordship allows me
Next.
to update the CD, Lordship. We'll
You can
produce
update
it.
the CD at the earliest.
Yes, yes, Lordship, yes.
Because he is in custody since 19th
Not
of
yes.
August.
Lordship, any date Lordship will give me, just 1 week.
If it come intermediate, whatever is entitled to get it.
Whatever it will come, we'll see.
Yeah.
From Panbari,
Lordship,
Friday.
Friday Lordship, 22,
22nd.
20. Or Lordship, 25th if possible.
Madam, I will take Madam 1 day prior to that, Madam. Last day. Sorry, but efficient Madam.
আমি তো একটু পুলিশের কথা আছে না?
Right on 22nd.
Lordship, 22nd.
Right on 22nd.
Obliged.
Mr. Chaudhary, that matter of POXO,
My lord.
it will be, today we will passing it.
Today
It will be
also
uploaded.
at 2.
It will be uploaded today.
Obliged, tell us. Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? My senior counsel M. Hello is on legs. He's in code number 18. Can the matter be passed over for the time being?
What's your prayer, Largo?
No, Lordship, my senior is also on legs. If you have legs.
Or 6. No, it's not 6 game. কত দিস?
Today is 58 days. And intermittent quality, my lord, 60 days is yesterday's period. Sarsic has not been filed.
Get the information at 2.
Lordship, Chassis, I have already communicated. Lordship.
You have already
Yes, Lordship.
Look at you. Any possibility by Saturday they are going to file any charge sheet?
No, Lordship, FSL report has not been received, Lordship. To be very honest, Lordship.
FIR at page 11, my lord. Is a registered owner as well as the driver of the particular three-wheeler vehicle, my lord. And the alleged item was found in the passenger seat.
He was arrested on 17/9.
My lord. Forwarding report, lordship will find at page 15.
Heard. Mr. Raymond Mondal, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. Vishwan, additional public prosecutor Assam for the state. Petitioner. Family such and such, son of such and such, resident of such and such. Police station Vilasipara district, Dhubari filed this application under section CBN praying for his bail in Vilasipara police station case number 22222 public 2024 under section 22 in bracket B of the NDPS Act, in which he was arrested on 17/09/2024 and in custody since then. On the basis of specific information that local public apprehend the petitioner as he was found carrying suspected drugs in his blue and white color car bearing registration number AS 17C 8027. On receipt of such information, Bilasipura Police Station GD entry number 15/16/09/2024 was made, and with due authorization, police personnel from Bilasipura Police Station proceeded to the concerned place, and the vehicle was found parked just after the bridge at Pothaldi Part 1, POTHLD. In presence of the local public, the said car was searched and from a polythene bag, suspected NDPS item was recovered from the backside of the passenger seat, with 28 numbers of capsules of NRX, Silova page number 11 of the second. After his arrest on 17/9, the petition was forwarded. Bilasipura PS case numbers as well as based for the arrest. He was produced before the Lanet Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate within Beckett and Bilasipura on 17/07/2024 itself. Though by order dated 23/10/2024, case that he was called for. It was someone or additional public prosecutor that the CD is available but without the FSL report. An instruction was submitted that the FSL report in the case is yet to be received. In the meanwhile, with effect from 17/09/2024, the petition will complete its mandatory period of detention. Since there is no likelihood of receipt of the FSL report by today and by Saturday, and by day after tomorrow, Saturday, tomorrow being holiday. Friday. Considering the petitioner release on bail, 50,000 to local sales. One condition that the shall appear before the end. And then when record condition shall not leave the jurisdiction. of the Bilaspur police station. Shall not involve in the executive. Subject to the subdivisional judicial magistrate in M. Bilaspur district.
Developed Lordship.
31 lordship, PD has been received.
May I please?
Yes, give it to us.
Your lordship, the petitioner is the owner of a Aadhaar card. The petitioner is the owner of an Aadhaar card making center, lordship. And lordship, he has manufactured a fraudulent Aadhaar card, lordship, in the name of another person, pasting the photograph of some other person, lordship. And this statement, lordship, I have already trademarked, lordship will kindly go to the same. lordship.
Now just tell us whether his further custodial detention is
Not
required.
necessary, lordship, because it appears to be an excess, lordship, of making fraudulent Aadhaar cards, lordship.
No Lordship.
Lordship will kindly see that the photograph that has been pasted, that is of a different person, and the Aadhaar card that has been issued in the name of a person by the name of lordship. His name is shown to be Rashid Ali, lordship. There is no such person, lordship. He does not exist. The phone number that has been given, that is of another person. Photograph pasted is of another person.
have the absolute case there.
Lordship,
This is of 18
Lordship.
from Jindia, not much. When
Lordship, when 25th, Lordship.
arrested on
Today, Lordship, for 3 days arrested.
6/10/24.
10, Lordship. Lordship, one thing kindly see, may I submit, Lordship, kindly see please, Lordship, seizure list. Everything has been seized by the authority. This Aadhaar card which is in question, Lordship, is also seized from Nur Muhammad, who is the brother of the informant, Lordship. As per knowledge of the petitioner, Lordship, step brother of the informant. He appeared before me being a CSC center, Lordship. Only I have updated the document, nothing I have fraud, Lordship. Aadhaar card is issued by the UDI, Lordship. He came to me, I have updated his document, whether this Nur Muhammad was taken custody, Lordship, whether he appeared before me, Lordship, these documents. If any fraudulent made by the Nur Muhammad, Lordship, I am a CSC center holder, all the documents, Lordship, even since 2022, this CSC center is running, there is no allegation against me ever, Lordship. Nothing is there, Lordship. Only this particular FIR was lost by the informant.
we consider next date, let us see.
40 days, Lordship, short date maybe. Kindly, Lordship.
When?
Any short date.
25th, Lordship.
For up to date case, there. NDPS case number 79.
Next, here, my lord. 21 B of NDPS, my lord. 12.6 grams of suspected to be heroin was recovered. Your lordship will find at page 12.
You have the FSL report?
FSL report not received, Lordship. So we may allow some time, Lordship. 2 days only.
50 days, my lord.
Just a minute.
Arrested on my lord 26/9/2024. Already 50 days, my lord.
What is the date of his arrest?
26/9/2024, my lord.
26/9.
Forwarding at page 15, my lord. My lord, indication is that, my lord, my body was searched, my lord, nothing was found, my lord. However, my lord, seeing police, I had thrown a sub case, my lord, and that was recovered. And in that sub case, my lord, 12.6 grams, my lord, recovered, my lord, and in that 12.6 grams, my lord, along with polythene, my lord. Inventory, my lord, I have annexed at page 14, my lord.
Twenty-second. 22nd.
Then, my lord, 14, my lord.
Get it. Otherwise, you have the case there.
Yes.
CD is here, my lord.
CD
is
is
Lordship.
or the information by 27.
Lordship.
Then, my lord, can it be on 21, my lord? Because already 50 days, my lord.
22, we have 60 days.
Then, my lord, if my lord,
Get the official.
if no such, then, my lord, in the lower court, my lord, on that day, my lord, automatic bail will be.
Yeah, don't worry. Yes.
Oblige, lord.
May I please, Lordship? This matter relates to Lordship, lottery ticket, Lordship. Informant purchased a lottery ticket, Lordship, he owned price, committee not delivering the price, Lordship.
You have the case there, Mr.
My lord.
And from 48 days behind the bar, Lordship, while mandatory period is 60 days. 12 days remains.
Lottery ticket doesn't have the amount. The ticket price is not there.
The ticket price is there, my lord. This informant is, my lord, got third prize, a card. When he went, my lord, 3 to 4 times he was refused. And
He is a vice president committee.
he is the vice president, this person, my lord. And
so many persons is there, I am the vice president, Lordship, of the committee.
Some order was passed earlier, or what?
Yes, Lordship, for status report, Lordship, thereafter, your Lordship call for CD.
Let's let us call my lord, but CD we have received, my lord.
You have the CD with you.
Other than one, there are 2, 3 my lord, witness, they are stating that one, Din Islam is behind the game, my lord, Din Islamে খেলৰ আয়োজন কৰিছিলে, তেওঁৱে পইচা পাতি ৰাখিছিলে লগত, পিছত পইচাৰ হিচাপখিনিও দিন ইছলামে লগত ৰাখে।
The statement of the accused.
No, not. Other witness, one witness also, this, Tafazul also said like this.
What is the action of the police with regard to that person?
Din Islam not yet, my lord.
President arrested, Lord.
Mhm.
Anwar Hussain was
Yes.
arrested, Lord. President, Vice President, both of them are arrested.
My lord, one, 48. ফটো 15খন মান গাড়ী দিয়াৰ ফটো আছে। নাজানো।
Okay, I'll look into it and pass order. It seems I have a meeting. I failed to color it.
Listing of a matter for withdrawal matter on Monday, my lord. Of my lordship. Item number 1. Made to the law. My lord, FIR, my lord, is at page number 11, my lord. FIR is of the year 2021. The offense is 406-420, my lord. Accused has completed short. 49 days, my lord.
They are one bank, my lord, hospital, my lord, one city, my lord, of Rampur. This is also my Amar Assam Vichar Nidhi. They open a bank. This petitioner, another person, after person, and another person, they are after them opening account in the Prosecution. And they are collecting money from the their persons, and with assurance that they will be appointed in their bank. And when appointment order was not issued, my lord, and they were asked to bring, my lord, customers for opening the account in the bank. And several persons, my lord, deposited rupees around 1,60,000, all in the, my lord, personal account of this petitioner after receiving. And there are 164 statement of the victims, my lord. 4 or 5 victims, my lord, 164 statement. They said that, my lord, one Riyaz Ali is there, and they have given the money to Akhtar, this present petitioner. And he himself in his statement, my lord, after he stated that as per the request of Riyaz, my lord, he the branch open in Lakhimpur. কিছুমান টকা মোৰ পাৰ্চনেল একাউণ্টতো ভৰোৱা হৈছিলে। আমাৰ ওচৰত প্ৰতিষ্ঠানটো খুলিবলৈ চাৰ্টিফিকেট আছিল যদিও কোনো গাইডলাইন ফলো কৰা নাছিলো। There is statement of the bank also, my lord, and transaction NEFT receipt as like my lord, 160 statement of the
Our case is that, my lord, police has got sufficient amount of time, my lord, for investigating, my lord. And also, my lord, he has been interrogated also, my lord. His further custodial interrogation may not be required.
Remove from the case there, let us see.
My lord.
today is 50 days.
Tell us why you need him for further custodial interviews. There are no materials.
My lord,
Because the other accused person already been released on default bail, right? And whatever is to be stated, he has stated. And here also is the same thing. He is a fraud, he is a fraud.
Only on the materials are there, they are on blank.
So tell us how much money you have collected, Mr. Das. How much money you have collected?
That we will deny, my lord.
How can you deny? It's here. That is why we're asking you how much money you have collected.
His personal account.
How much money have gone to your personal account that you have collected from public?
That I do not have instruction, my lord.
That you have the instruction. You consider? You have the instruction. You'll consider that.
1 lakh. 1 lakh, my lord.
Not only.
My lord.
Will you show here
My lord,
how much went to your personal account?
the allegation is that, my lord, yes.
This is not allegation, that is the correct thing.
Yes. But only on I'm prefer only on
Tell us,
count
that's
of
why
length,
we're asking you.
length of
Get
detention
the
of those, my lord.
information.
But he will face trial, my lord.
That we'll see.
Yes.
But what will happen? How will you return the money to the public? The poor
But
people who has
Probably,
daily
my lord, the
deposits
police
and other
can already
deposits.
have, my lord, seized his account.
Everything.
They can,
No, nothing. At least he knows. You have received through UPI. It is your mobile.
if it is that
How
in
you
the,
have received, we know
if it is
everything.
that in the record, my lord,
Very
I-
recently. It's
yes.
not that old. He will not remember. He will not, it is not
Yes.
that he is going to forget.
Then the case there will speak for itself, my lord.
Mr.
Yes.
Get the information. You like to know from the
Right.
petition. We'll consider.
My lord. Monday, my lord.
If you want to have the information Monday, we'll pass the order on the prayer of petition also. Monday, sure?
Well, he says after some time he can bring the information.
Okay.
Highly obliged.
Present petitioners are not FIR number person. Allegation against him that he supplied 5 cartons of unlawfully liquid to the other person, other released person.
Some order have been passed.
So I submitted.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, otherwise, from the statement of the co-accused as well as from the statement of the petitioner, it is an admitted fact that he is running the illegal business of,
He's in custody since when?
yes, Lordship, as on today, 21 days.
21
behind the bar.
The boundary of Arunachal and Assam, the Helem Gokul.
Things have already been recovered.
Yes, otherwise.
Page 12, forwarding report look here, mention. Grounds of error.
Same order.
No, sir.
He was arrested along with or subsequently.
Lordship.
Same order. That's silent. To me, myself.
Obliged.
Okay, absolutely.
Mail.
Can go.
Lordship, regarding the service of notice, Lordship.
Where is he? Morning, he did not appear, right?
No.
Anyway, say prosecution did not produce any witness for the last 10 occasions. And we have the up-to-date orders which has,
Lordship.
and you know the consequences.
The last witness was recorded in the month of July, Lordship, if I'm not wrong.
From July is the POXO case.
Yes, okay.
From July, it's lying like that.
Lordship.
24th of July.
Lordship.
August, September, October, November is also over because the last date is in November, last part.
Lordship.
Only 4 witnesses have been examined.
Out of 8. In any case, Lordship, informant has already been.
That we have seen.
Yes.
Since the petitioner is not here. No representation on behalf of the petitioner on call. Do names of 2 councils and council. 3 councils have been referred in the first list. List. 2nd December. Along with the judicial call for the
25.
updated status report. Eligibles can copy this status report. Yes. Next.
25, Lordship, I've taken the instruction, Lordship, charge sheet has been laid.
Charge sheet filed.
Yes.
No representation. Do you have the number, Mr.
Yes, Lordship. Charge sheet number 190/24, dated 23/9/24.
Okay.
Yes, sir. My lord, in this case, my lord, this petitioner, FIR has been registered on 4/9/2024, my lord. Lordship, kindly take up the first copy of the FIR that is starts from page 17, my lord.
Yes, please.
Page 18, my lord, very relevant. I'll go to the some of the very relevant aspect, my lord. Page 18, my lord. Received and registered by Tezpur PS case number so. Under section 3162, 3184, BNS raid with 21(1) so of the banning an unregulated deposit scheme under Act. So case has been registered under, my lord, admittedly under the BNS, my lord. Now, he was arrested, my lord. Thereafter, I was forwarded on 5/9/2024, my lord. Then my TBI, then the state government by the notification, lordship, I'll come to the three notification basically, my lord, here, by virtue of which the state government has এখন কোনখন? এখন আৰু দুখনমান আছে যে। আৰু এখন ট্ৰায়ালৰ ভাল কপি নাই নেকি? Legible copy. Now, by 9th October, my lord, by notification, my lord, the political department Dispur has given the authority to CBI to investigate the offense, my lord. Then, my lord, there are two notification, my lord. The one notification that has been by virtue of which the CBI has been given the authority to investigate, my lord. Now, my basic, there are two folds in my basic contention, my lord. It has got a huge ramification also. I'll go slowly, that's why, my lord. The lordship kindly take up the DSP Act in the meantime, my lord. Delhi Police State Establishment.
Police establishment.
এখন ক'ত মোৰ? উলিয়া। P2. Lordship is always aware of the one fact, what is the section 6 of the Delhi Police Establishment Act, that the consent of the state government is always necessary for the DSP to take up an investigation in a particular state, my lord. That the prior, that the sanction is required, my lord, from the state concerned, that is the section 6, my lord. We have no dispute about that fact, my lord. The section 6, my lord. Now, our concern is the section 3, my lord. Now, lordship kindly take up the section 3 of these cases, my lord. The central government may, by the notification in this official gazettes, specify the offences and the classes offences which are to be investigated by the Delhi Police Establishment. The first requirement is by the central government is that Delhi Police, otherwise they cannot investigate all the offences, my lord. It has to be offences which has to be notified under the official gazette under section 3, my lord. That is the primary requirement, my lord. That is the mandatory requirement also. That cannot be bypassed by virtue of an sanction given under section 6, my lord.
Sharma. Yes, yes, please.
So the section 6 is the only the consent or the authorization which is required by the state on it. Section 6.
Now my primary objection in this case that the CBI does not have the power to investigate these offences unless there is a notification under section 3 of the Delhi Police Establishment Act. Now, Lordship, kindly take up the notification here, the 11th October 2024. The notification issued by the here, it is not under section 3 of the Delhi Police Establishment Act. That's very clear from the language itself. This notification, my lord, Lordship has a notification. I have a copy also, my lord, Lordship. By virtue of which, my lord. Yes. 11th October, my 2024.
There's by the government of India.
Yes, my lord.
9th October.
There's a 9th of October also, there's an 11th October. 9th of October.
Central government.
So 9 by the state, my lord.
Yes.
And the 9 is by the virtue of section 6, my lord. We are not dispute about that. 9 for win.
Yes, what do you want to say from 9? There is state notification.
Take on 9.
The 9, my lord, the provision, this is under section 6, my lord. No dispute about the 9. The first is the 9th October 2024. In pursuant of the provisions of section 6 of the Delhi Police Establishment Act, the Governor of Assam is pleased to accord the consent to the extension of the powers and the jurisdiction of the matters of the Delhi Police Establishment throughout the state of Assam for the investigation of the offences under relevant sections of IPC BNS and the other acts as mentioned in the FIR and the other laws related to the 41 police cases as below. So this is the consent basically given by the state under section 6. But 6 is different, my lord, altogether, but 3 is totally different. By virtue of it 6, it cannot override the principle, the basic requirement of the section 3. Now the next, Lordship, kindly see the next notification that is on 11th October 2024. Next is in exercise of the powers conferred, Lordship, kindly take up this 11th October notification. Has your lordship?
Do you have?
Yes, I have a copy, my lordship.
Take on the.
Take on, lord. In exercise of the powers conferred by subsection 1 of section 5, read with section 6 of the Delhi Police Establishment Act, the central government with the consent of the state government of Assam issued by the government by notification so and so certain 9th October. So political department hereby extend the power and the jurisdiction of the members of the Delhi Police Establishment Act throughout the state of Assam for the investigation of the offences under relevant sections of IPC BNS and other acts as mentioned in the FIR and any other law related to the 41 numbers of police cases below. So, first is the state government has given the consent as per section 6. Then as per section 5, this is the second notification issued that the extension of the powers. Now, these notification has been issued specifically under section 5 and the 6 of the. Now, prior to that, what is the requirement of the law, my lord? By virtue of a notification, my lord, can I entrust the power to the CBI if they doesn't have the power to investigate at all? First of all, they must have the power to investigate. Then by virtue of section 6 or 5, they can exercise that power. But first of all, they must have the power first. For example, the foundation has to be there, my lord, the basic power. That has to be notified under section 3 of the notification by the Gazette officer. Here, because that is the primary power. For example, my lord, suppose as per the DSP Act, the investigation can be carried out by the DSP, my lord, Deputy Superintendent of Police, my lord. Hey, then if he was entrusted to investigate by the court or by the somebody else, my lord, by notification, but the Act requires that the DSP has to investigate the matter, my lord. Can the court or the authority can assume the jurisdiction under the statute, my lord? So under the statute is the primary requirement of these that these offences, first of all, they must have possess the power to investigate. Now, there is no such notification till date under section 3 that the BNS, all the offences connected to the BNS has been notified under section 3 of the DSP Act. There is no such notification.
Okay.
As far as my information is concerned, ma'am. If they doesn't have the power to investigate the BNS offences connected to the BNS, simply power given to an investigator will not do. Now, Lordship, kindly see the section 5 of the Act. Section 5 is very important, my lord. What the section 5 says, my lord? Section 5 will
Yes.
may I read, my lord? Section 5. It is an extension, my lordship, kindly see the section 5(1). The central government may by order extend to the area, including the railway areas, in a state not being the Union Territory, the powers and jurisdiction of the members of the Delhi Special Extraordinary Act for the investigation of any offences or classes of offences specified in the notification under section 3, my lord. So there has to be, first of all, there has to be a notification under section 3. Then it can be extended by virtue of section 5. That can be extended, but not before. They cannot put the horse before the cart, my lord. There has to be a power, first of all. So the requirement of this that there has to be a notification under section 3. If they do have the powers of the notification, my argument will not sustain, man. If they can satisfy this code that they have the notification of the BNSS offences, then I'll not argue, my lord. This point, my lord. But as far as my information is concerned, that they don't have any notification in the Gazette as far as the BNS is concerned, madam. So, to simplify my contention, my lord, I'll just read one paragraph of one particular judgment of the Supreme Court, my lord. One paragraph, my lord, it will clarify everything, my lord. It will open. This is a recent judgment, my lord.
But in this regard, I think so, even our High Court, it is a
That probably Lordship is trying to say that the Gegongapang's case,
much prior to that, because with regard to the extension of the SP Act, NDPS, this Delhi Police Establishment, Special Police Establishment Act, there was a long, just when I joined, there was a division bench is to take up those matters, read petitions. There is an issue, same issue which you have raised regarding the notification, section 3.
There's a one judgment, Manat. Initially, 302 was also not with the purview of the CBI, my lord. And there's in one judgment, my lord. The subsequently 302 was.
With regard to that, granting power for an investigation in the Nagaland.
There's a one more, the Gagongapon's case is also similar, my lord. It was, the transfer was given from the Arunachal to Nagaland.
That we know.
That is also similar to the power.
That was subsequently after 9 years of. taking
Yes,
place,
yes,
there
yes.
was no notification. It was-
Yes, yes. So this is also similar, my lord. So this is for the lordship kindly see, I'll come to the later, the one paragraph I'll go first of all, then lordship will understand my contention. Very specific, this is the paragraph 20 of this judgment, my lord.
Yes.
This court in the M. Balakrishna Reddy expanded the purport of section 3, 5 and 6 of the 1946 Act and observe in paragraph 19 and others and so. The plain reading of the above provision goes to show that for exercise of the jurisdiction by CBI in a state other than the union territory or the railway area, consent of the state government is necessary. In other words, before the provisions of the Delhi Act are invoked to exercise power and jurisdiction by the special police establishment in any state, the following condition must be fulfilled. Number one, a notification must be issued by the central government specifying the offences to be investigated by the Delhi Police Establishment Act. This is under section 3. That is the first requirement, my lord. If I don't have the possess the power by virtue of a section 6, they cannot override the section 3, my lord.
But that, he was the chief secretary of the state of Nagaland some earlier. His judgment was passed by division bench and it was upheld by the Honorable Apex Court. Some, I forgot the name.
I'll check it out. Thank you, my lord.
I don't know whether it has been reported, but.
I'll try to find it out. Obliged, my lord. So first requirement under section 20, under 3, my lord, the notification under section 3. Then the second limb, an order must be placed by the central government extending the power of the jurisdiction of Delhi Police Establishment to state in respect of the offences specified under section 3, that is section 5, my lord. So they have a notification under section 5, no dispute. They have also have the notification under section 6. We are not disputing that part, my lord. My contention is whether there is any notification regarding giving the powers to the CBI to investigate the offences under the BNSS. If they don't have possess the power to investigate the offence under the BNSS, they cannot investigate or they take the investigation by way of a notification under section 5 and 6.
Yes, Mr. Halil.
Lordship, in this regard, need to take instruction of it. Because the position is not known to me, whether there is a notification. The matter come on Monday, after we satisfy the court, the price court, whether there is a notification in this department.
Because notification, my lord, and that notification, my lord, has to be on the date of when the prior to the CBI taking up the investigation, my lord. So CBI has taken up the investigation on by the notification, my lord, the
11.
11th.
Complete process 11. Pardon, Mr. Gilboral and senior counsel.
VH officer.
Special Public Prosecutor, CBI. For the response. Mr. Bora, and it's in your
Yeah.
By placing the FIR, the case in hand, I test group PS case number 533/2024 placed before the court that it has been registered under section 316(2) of the 318(4) of the BNS. BNS, 202. Read with section 21(1), 21(2), 21(3) of the banning of unregulated deposits. It is also placed before the court that the state government, by notification dated 09/10/2024, transferred 41 numbers of cases, including, even this case is there.
Yes, ma'am. তেজপুৰ আছিল ন আমাৰ কিমান নাম এইটো আমাৰ তেজপুৰটো কিমান
This is not the, this is test proof 533.
this is তেজপুৰ 5 serial number 5 my lord in serial number 5
Oh, right. Including NDPS case number 533/2024. To the CBI under the provisions of Delhi Special Police Establishment Act.
graduation of the system right
About
ইমান দিনৰ পৰা
also placed before the court that by notification dated 11/10/2024.
ইমান দিনৰ ইমান দিনৰ কৰি মোক আকৌ সময় লাগিছে
Government of India
Ma'am,
Ministry
ma'am,
Ministry of
ma'am,
Personal and
ma'am.
Public Grievances and
mandatory period হোৱাৰ পিছত
নাজানো এতিয়া কি জানো আপুনি উঠাই দিছে এনেকুৱা ডকুমেণ্ট এটা ক'ত আহিব without knowledge how can I
gave its consent, gain its approval
চিনি কথাটো কেনেকৈ পাব ইণ্টাৰনেট লেটাৰ
for investigation of those 41 number of cases notified by the government of Assam on 09 such and such noted above under section 1 of section 5 with section 6 of the said DSPE Act 1946. Mr. Bora, submitted. That for the compliance of the provision of section 5 or 6 of said 1946 Act, there has to be the compliance of provision of, first there has to be a compliance of provision of section 3, it said 1946 Act, which stipulates as section 3 writing. So according to Mr. Warren and its senior counsel, as on date, there is no such gazette notification of the government of India.
prior to
bringing
that
in-
date 11
11. Prior to 11. 10/2003. As on 11/10 quit, as on 11. Or prior to that. Notifying the provisions of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita 2023. So in absence of such notification, gazette notification, bringing in BNS 2023 under the purview of the PSP Act 1946. The CBI, even if notification been issued under 6 by the government of India, not able to investigate such cases. At this stage, Mr. Haloy Lanet, Special Public Prosecutor, CBI, raised for time. Not necessarily instruction in that regard. List the matter of 18th. Mr. Haloy on 18th?
Lordship.
On matter. It is, who are you? The name of that particular.
I forgot it was the division that I should remember, telling that the issue was raised. There was a chief secretary, then there were some corruption issues. That's supposed to be investigated by CBI, if I rightly remember. That's why I'm saying a very old matter while I was in this side. And then I was just sharing it off. Then this issue was raised because Mr. Alvalia, he brought lawyers from Delhi. Then this issue was raised, extension of the power of this particular 1946 Act to Nagaland. And without there was no notification in that regard.
Under section 6.
Under section 3 for bringing in that provision to the state of Nagaland. So initially that was not there, and that's how the court has, of course, allowed the state to go ahead with the investigation, that the CBI to go ahead with the investigation, which was again challenged before the Honorable Apex Court. And the Apex Court allowed the decision of the division bench of this to that extent. And that was in probably in court number 2. There was another issue prior to that. This section 3 of the 1946 Act was also argued in that point of time. His Lordship Justice Rugby was there. I was the Chief Justice in court number 1 at that point of time. There was that point of writ petitions all in division bench. So he was argued in a writ petition. Same thing happened. Probably that was an issue relating to Tripura because that was issue there. We've been hearing that issues. It was very interesting for us initially when we joined the profession. So I have not remembered it, but I'll only remembered because there was that matter was available. Later on, we could hear it. That's all.
Constitution court can, yes, obviously can
It was,
direct.
division bench.
Yes,
That's what, because it was a challenge. That decision was challenged in a writ petition regarding the allowing that CBI investigation for the, that's how we remember. But with regard to that Tripura matter, both the matter section 3 was. We are keeping those two notifications.
Smile. Lordship also can keep their judgment also.
That was Mr. Border's application. That letter. In that letter, Mr. Border. The judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. In the case of Anwar Tandu, KANWA, Tanur, EAJ, versus State of Bihar and others, reported in 2020, 20 SCC 531. Okay.
Hello.
Those should be available, Malad, regarding service, Malad. I have got the instruction, Malad, that yesterday police went to their house for serving notice, Malad, but informants further experience, because of that could not be served, Malad. Today morning they have informed. And otherwise, Malad, today is
80 days.
80 days, Malad. Victim is 16 years, 9 months. And
It was second time.
and FSL is not yet received because of that matlab chassis. Otherwise matlab
What FSL?
only regarding the publication of matlab mobile FSL regarding the mobile only matlab that is not received. In that case matlab otherwise and my case maybe matlab
Mr.
for speedy.
Procedural and additional prosecutor on instruction submitted. Yesterday when the processor of Dharawari police station went to the house of the informant. To serve notice of this application. Informant as one number. No opposite party. The processor proposing that the father of the opposite party number 2 expired yesterday. As such, notice could not be served. Considering that notified Wednesday will have.
My lord.
And city may be retained.
Yes. Wednesday area no beach.
Do you have the case diary?
My lord.
Further custody decision required?
My lord, please document from their custody, my lord. Rina and another person, my lord, from both the persons, my lord, various stolen article has been recovered.
Now, what has been recovered from the possession of the petitioner?
Yes, from Rina, gold chain, cash rupees, some copper pipe and all this. No. And they, matlab, they are regularly doing matlab, purchasing the stolen items from Turkey. They are doing matlab. Because the recovery item matlab, all are not involved in this particular FIR matlab.
Brand new.
নিজামুদ্দিন মালত গহনাটো গুৱাহাটী বিভিন্ন অঞ্চল মানুহৰ নথকা ঘৰৰ পৰা চুৰি কৰা আৰু এসপ্তাহমান আগতে গুৱাহাটীৰ বাহিৰৰ পৰা গৈ পলাই থাকে বুলি মোক কয় তো মালত they are purchasing from some malat days 21 days but the main culprits malat who stolen malat they are not yet arrested malat.
Just want to see one the case diary.
These are listed. What is it? Mm. Cannot done.
Mr. Parashar,
My lord.
this is only up to the date of their arrest. Get the up to date thing. Get the up. This is from
Daluk Bhai, madam.
Give it to us at the earliest when, because it was sent to you when? 9th. Case there is not up to date. They were arrested on 24th, case there is only up to 24th. Just find out.
My lord.
Say they have named some, but
Yes.
without giving their proper details. Last date is this. It was forwarded on 9th.
9 November.
The last day.
Yes. 24.
That was the date when they were arrested. When?
Arrested 24/10. 24/10 it was arrested. Malat up to date is required money. Anyway, Malat under the next Thursday, Malat. 21st.
You're able to get it? If you can get it well, otherwise on 27.
Malat.
If you want to get it from early, you can have it on 21st, 22nd, whenever you want. But,
22nd, Malat.
But have it up to date this day.
Much obliged.
Yes, you have the vigilance fees.
My lord, yes, case the receive my lord. Can it be taken up after some time? And let the Mr. Anticipatory is coming after some time.
We'll have it in after the last item. Okay, next.
Yeah, please. My lord, can you take up this matter on Monday? My senior has some difficulties, my lord. From morning, he was on leg in court number 2, my lord. Just he finished the matter. Court number 2. So, my lord, I was started and will take time. Personally, can you take up Monday, my lord? Take out Monday.
You have all the CDR reports? There is a specific order?
Yes, CDR report, Malat, one report, Malat, received, but analysis regarding that, Malat, they got only details of two mobile numbers, Malat. There's a report by the Malat, I has communicated and they give the report, Malat. But
There are involvement of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mobile numbers.
4 mobile number, all details are not received yet, Malat.
Up to you have received.
Three days received, Malat. I have communicated the order of this court to the IO, Malat.
Just pass it on that communication.
Yes, report is available. CDR is there, but analysis report is only regarding CDR analysis is not given. CDR, may analysis is in on. But in his statement, my lord, in 161, the accused, my lord, he has confessed that earlier there are relation between them, my lord. Subsequently, when she broke down the relation out of grudge, he, my lord, uploaded this in Instagram, but subsequently deleted also.
Get it? Analysis is not there.
Analysis not there. my lord.
When?
120, 25th, my lord.
28.
Hello, interim is there. Hello, interim is there.
Oh, itu dah ada. Yes, এক নম্বর তো তার
Petition for pre-arrest bail. CBI also.
CD received, Lordship. Lordship. Lordship, in her 164 statements, he has implicated, Lordship. Notice. Lordship. Lordship, Lordship. Okay, Lordship, we'll get the information. We put it in. Yes, Lordship. Lordship. On 19, Lordship. Okay. Lordship. 20, obliged, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Make this lordship. For it to the application lordship. Lordship was pleased to call for this.
Lordship, here we have found that charge sheet has been filed, but date has been given, but number has not been given, and they have written a note that original charge sheet has been sent to the Honorable NLB Court. So that instruction is there. So we can give the date, Lordship. Otherwise, charge sheet has been filed. Yes. Yes. Lordship, as your Lordship wishes, any day. Lordship, Nalbari, Lordship. Very first, Lordship. What is the file number? Yes.
Lordship.
Lordship, I am for respondent to Lordship. I'll file objection, Lordship.
Yes, I have the case there. They want to file objection.
Yes, Lord. Should I have filed Ukalatnama?
This is the first trip of the girl mirror.
Yes, the Fox 4 is there. Lordship.
Full name.
Yes, Islam, Lordship. Islam, Saiful Islam. Lordship, kindly 20. 25, 25th, Lordship. Thanks, 25th, Lordship. 25th, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. 22nd is, I'm not here, Lordship.
No, we have some problem. No, there is all case, we have case, other case.
25th. Much obliged, Lordship. Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordships? Lordship, on the first occasion, Lordship was directed to public prosecutor to take instruction before involvement of the accused petitioner number 2, Your Lordships. Perhaps CD is available, Your Lordships.
In this case, my lord, I am appearing for the respond number 2, my lord. Offense under section 65 to BNSS, which is, my lord, actually AB not maintainable, my lord. In this section, according to section 480 to BNSS. But in respect of petitioner number 2, so perhaps POCSO will not attack it, my lord.
Lordship, status report was called for earlier, Lordship, that we have already submitted, perhaps on the record. So far as petition number 2 is concerned, there is no such involvement, Lordship. And so far as petition number, yes, Lordship. Lordship. Lordship.
Section 482, clause for BNSS, my lord.
Earlier it was 438, yes.
Clause for section 482 BNSS.
It comes under section 378 earlier, Lordship. 376(3), Lordship, if the victim is below 16 years.
I don't have any objection against the petitioner number 2, madam.
AB is not maintainable.
My lord, one public petition is there, my lord, against the accused number 1. If I permit, I want to submit.
Otherwise, sufficient evidence is there,
My
Lordship.
lord, my lord.
Must rate awesome.
At the time of occurrence, he was the headmaster, but now I think he is in suspension, but the proper instruction not available with me, my lord.
Medical report is not there. Lordship.
medical report tomorrow.
Other also lordship as per provision of law that is not maintainable.
Not maintained.
So essay board lordship. Essay board A board Petitioner number 2 may be protected your lordship till then.
We don't have any objection to that.
In this, we have not.
Yes.
Objection.
That is not maintainable.
Take care of that man. And the later dates which was mentioned by my learned senior my lord, that is not in the case diary. The case diary is up to date on my lord 30/08 of 2024 my lord. So Now it's November. Thereafter, my learned senior said that he appeared. That was not in my case.
Four occasions.
Four occasions, my lord, that 4 occasions not there, but 1 occasion is there. My lord. On 18th 2024, he appeared. My lord, my lord, yes. My lord.
Till that time, your worship will protect him. Till that date. No, my lord, now. No, my lord, because I was appearing and now apprehension is that my lord, wife is my lord very powerful and that's why this way, my lord, this affair has been lost. Any day he may be arrested, my lord. He has already appeared 5 times, my lord. This is a statement at the bar from me. At least the
30th, my lord. 30824.
I have appeared on 8th of August, 7th of September, 30th September, 7th August, 7th September, 30th September, 9th October, and 29th.
September.
In September, my lord, on 7th and 30th. Then, my lord, October, 9th October, and 29th October.
That may be recorded, my lord, in the order, my lord. Yeah. Is that what you want to read about?
29th.
No, it's November, no? I think human right. 21. Translator 21. 21.
Same vigilance, PSP. And the documents have also been seized, my lord.
Huh? Much obliged.
Till that time, your lord, you kindly protect me, my lord. Oh, my learned friend, you are opposed to that, my lord.
Lord's in mercy, yes. My lord, yes. Of course, my lord. If he's cooperating, my lord, there is no issue. My lord,
My lord, on the basis of this statement, my lord, only for these 3 days, my lord. Let it be till my lord, then on that day, your worship will consider again, my lord.
My lord, sure. Much obliged, your lord.